Tired of your Samsung TV locked down and limiting your viewing options? Let's unlock its full potential and get rid of that hotel mode. You're likely seeing a simplified menu, preventing you from adjusting most settings, and that's because your TV is in hotel mode. This is common in hotels and other hospitality settings. To maintain control, we can easily get it out of there. First things first, grab your Samsung TV remote, locate the menu button. It's usually the one labeled menu, or might be a button with 3 horizontal lines. Press that now. This will bring up the main menu on your TV screen. Now, you'll need to navigate using the arrow keys on your remote. Look for the settings option and select it by pressing the Enter or OK button in the center of the arrow keys. Once you're in settings, scroll down the list of available options. We're looking for the support section. Sometimes it's directly visible, other times it might be under a broader category, but support is usually where you will find what we need. Inside support, you're looking for self-diagnosis or something similarly named. Again, use your arrow keys to highlight it and press Enter or OK to select it. Now, within the self-diagnosis menu, you should see an option for reset. This is the key action to revert your TV to its default state, which will also exit hotel mode. You'll likely be presented with a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to reset. Confirm that you want to proceed. This action will not only remove hotel mode, but also return your TV to its factory default settings. The TV will now restart. This might take a minute or two as it applies the reset. And there you have it. Once the TV restarts, you'll be greeted with the initial setup. And more importantly, all your settings will be unlocked. You can now personalize your viewing experience just the way you like it.